Hello, Minnie here, and
Hi.
Kai. So, we're gonna go on vacation to Port Edward, and I haven't vlogged in forever, so I'm gonna vlog this, and we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have a nice time, and yeah. And I'm taking Teyr with me. This is my new baby cockatiel. You guys know Iroh. He passed away a while ago, but this little guy, he's alive and well, and he's healthy now. When I got him, he was sick as well, but we went to the vet a bunch of times to get checkups and medicine. So he is starting to look better now, and he's gaining weight. And now you have feathers in your mouth. Wow, so smart. We are on the beach and we have Teyr here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. If you guys can't, then I'm gonna do a voiceover. But we might have Teyr chilling chilling with us on the beach a little while. What's that? Hey Teyr! Come! Het probeer eet. Shame. That's a Teyr. That's me. So, I'm recording this as if I didn't just say exactly the same thing. But, how about we build a tide pool for Teyr? Sure. Yes. We're on the beach with Teyr.
On a trip in our favorite rocket ship into the mountain of
Ja, maar kijk om. Teyr is vlogging now. What do you have to say, sir?
POV bird.
So we made a mini tide pool for Teyr. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Did the ocean scare you? Also, who tried to eat sand? No, it wasn't me who tried to eat sand, it was you. So we made a tiny tide pool for Teyr. Obviously, he's not going to stay in the tide pool or without supervision. This is just to show him some seawater. And we're keeping an eye on the ocean. Busy day. Look how sleepy he is. So it's the next morning, and I'm not gonna take Teyr to the beach today because he had a super busy day yesterday, and I think he's still tired from that. So he's just gonna sit and chill in the. You can't see me. Yeah, I'm showing you the camera.
Really?
Yes. No, not anymore. Bye. But Teyr had a busy day, and yeah, he's still tired from that, so we're just gonna go to the beach. But I'm gonna show you guys a shipwreck today. Okay, so here we are at the shipwreck. It was a long way to walk, all the way to here. And I'm gonna show you guys some more of the shipwreck. Okay, so apparently this was part of the engine, and I know fuck all about boats, so I don't know where this fits in, but it looks pretty cool. If you look closely, you can see the baby fish, and baby fish are actually called fry. But those fish are, the little one with stripes is actually a baby, and the bigger ones are in the deeper ocean. There we go, we have a crab. There are some fish, they're a little bit bigger than the little ones that we saw earlier, and I have absolutely no idea what they are. That little fish with the stripes is a sergeant major, but that's a juvenile one. The bigger ones you get in the ocean, a little bit deeper in.